waxaan baranaynaa sida hees laga soo download YouTube-ka looga dhigo MP3. So marka hore waxaan tagayaa filtro oo ah igu jira download-ka. waxaan tagayaa download soo tubka si toos ah lagu soo download gareeyay. waxay igu jirtaa heesteeda video.
So Yasin, now it's a video, so let me make it as an MP3. So I use this for converting to MP3. I use when I go. So let me open it. It's going to open as you use the low computer, but it will be easy to open. It's open now. So you put Yasin here. So this question is asking this question: if you want to make popular devices for the phone, so I just recently used this the MP3. It coming from common audio file. Just you say MP3, then okay. After that is make it this. So now it's here. I've written to MP3 file. So let me say start. Before start, let me make it eat. You say start. What's come for now? MP3 say on MP3. So MP3 auto. تحليل الشيء عندما open output directly. So تصل هذا حلقة وحي بلغة كلت انتو كذا تريم